Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Zen Browser. First, about the Zen Browser on your PC. Once it launches, look at the left side and click on New tab. Here, you can search using Google or directly enter a website address. For example, let's type Wikipedia and press Enter. When the results appear, click on the Wikipedia link. Zen loads pages quickly and keeps the layout clean, making browsing smooth and distraction-free. Now, go back and click on Welcome from the left-hand menu. This section gives a helpful overview of Zen's features like Zen Link, Workspace, Compact, Mode, Glance, and Split View. These tools are designed to boost your productivity by helping you stay organized and manage tabs better. Next, scroll to the bottom left corner and click on the Settings icon. Under the General section, you'll see several checkboxes. You can enable useful options like reopening the last tabs you had open, continuing where you left off, starting Zen automatically with your computer, and checking if Zen is your default browser. These features are great for saving time and getting back to work faster. Now, click on the Make Default button. On the next screen, select Set Default to make Zen your main browser. This way, any link you click will automatically open in Zen, giving you a more consistent experience. After that, go back to Zen and look for the Import Browser Data option. This lets you bring in bookmark, browsing history, and saved passwords from other browsers. It's a quick way to set up Zen without starting from scratch. Now, move to the top left and click on the extension icon. This section lets you manage your extensions easily. You can install the tools you need or remove the ones you don't use anymore. Zen keeps everything organized so your browser stays fast and clutter-free. Next, click on Theme. Here, you can switch between dark mode and light mode. Dark mode is easier on the eyes at night, while light mode is great for daytime browsing. Customizing the look helps make Zen more comfortable to use. Finally, you can go back and click New tab again from the left side to start a new search or visit another website. Zen's simple layout and smart features help you focus on what matters without distractions. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.